Hey everybody, Jeff with Covet the Camper. Well, today I'm putting in my new mattress that I got for my truck camper. But first I want to show you what I'm putting down on the platform to kind of combat the mildew issue that a lot of folks have in RV bed platforms, especially truck campers, because of the space up here where all the moisture gets trapped, and the cabover bed platform being, you know, relatively thin and exposed to the outside temperatures. And then you've got obviously your, you know, your body temperature on the mattress. So that temperature difference creates condensation, and then condensation over time, you know, turns into mildew and mold. So I've got some of this 1-inch structural foam kind of laid out, cut in sections, and that's going to give me a little bit of airflow and insulation from the colder bed platform. So that should alleviate all condensation in the cabover area. So I've just got my rigid foam cut in. These are about 16-inch strips over here on the ends. These are 8-inch strips here, and then just some random pieces in the middle to give a little bit more airflow. But the main goal here is to just basically isolate the cold bed platform, this wood platform there, from the mattress. So this 1-inch foam does a really good job of insulation. So I'm going to throw my mattress on, and well, I'm going to show you my new mattress, by the way. I've got a new 5-inch memory foam gel mattress from Lucid, from Amazon. It was only like 180 bucks. It's a queen size bed. It's a real queen bed, not an RV queen. So it's a full 80 by 60, and it should fill this area perfectly. So I'm going to throw that in right now, and yeah, we're going to see how it looks after it kind of fully inflates after taking it out of the vacuum bag. Yeah, so here it is here, the Lucid. This is the 5-inch gel memory foam mattress. This has the charcoal and bamboo infused gel foam, and then the memory foam on top. Now I'll get this thing unboxed. I'm going to put it up in the truck camper bed area before I take it out of the bag, because once you take them out of the vacuum bag, they want to start expanding. They want you to leave them 24 to 48 hours, you know, to let them fully expand before you use the mattress. So I'm going to put that in there now, and then we'll check back once it's fully expanded. Some people kind of complain about these types of mattresses smelling like, you know, plastics or foams or chemical. Of course, you're going to have a little bit of that with anything that you buy that's brand new, that's made from foam, especially memory foam. But I'm going to go ahead and get this thing pulled out of the bag. It's relatively lightweight. I think it only weighs about 32 pounds. Get that box out of the way. So I'm going to go ahead and weigh it before I throw it in there, so I know what I was taking out against what I'm putting in. All right, so with the bag still on, we are at 28 pounds. So great. The mattress that I took out weighs about 23 pounds. So this is about 5 pounds heavier, but it's a much better mattress. This isn't a disaster when I open it up and it goes flying around on everything, but all right, so I just want to figure out which way this goes, up or down, because when as soon as I take this plastic off, it's going to start to expand, and I'm not going to be able to maneuver it around here very easily. So I'm going to go ahead and, if all else fails, read the instructions. I flipped it. The mattress tag is down here. There's a zipper that goes around, and it's partially open up there at the top. So I'm going to cut the top, so that way I can get all this plastic out this way, and I'm not fighting it more than I have to while it's inflating. So I'm going to get up there with some scissors and cut that plastic, let it inflate. So here's the finished size is 59 inches wide by 79 inches long. So that's a queen size, just about a queen size. An actual queen is 60 by 80. So very close. It says here about 24 pounds. When I weighed it, I got 28 pounds, but that was with all the plastic and instructions and stuff like that in there. All right, so that's what it looks like when it's not, you know, fully decompressed. And I'm going to let this thing sit for about 24 or 48 hours or so. Up to 72 hours they say it could take. And we'll come back in a couple of days and take a look at it. All right, so it's been a couple of days here, and this mattress has had plenty of time to expand fully. And I just took a measurement of the thickness, and it's 4.5 inches. So just shy of what they say, you know, on the specs. They say 5 inches, but it is super comfortable, and I wouldn't call it a firm mattress. I would call it probably medium or to medium firm. There are, you know, 2 layers of foam. There's 4 inches of the gel foam and then 1 inch of the memory foam. So the memory foam is not quite as firm as the gel foam. So it's kind of a 2-tier firmness. So I would call it a medium firm, and it's very comfortable just, you know, laying on it. I haven't slept in it yet, but I would imagine that it's going to be better than the old futon mattress that I had in here before. So, but I'm going to go ahead and get this bed made up and get it looking nice. I ordered a blind system for that front window, and it's supposed to be here, it had to be custom made. It's actually a skylight blind that is in a track, so it'll be framed in, and it opens from one side or the other. And I'll get that installed probably in the next couple of weeks. I don't think it's supposed to be here this week, but probably the early next week. And I'm excited about getting that. I ordered that from selectblinds.com is where I ordered that blind from. It's again, it's a skylight blind, and it's in a track system, so it'll hold that long shape as it's opening, and it'll hold the shape as it's closed, because it'll kind of ride on that track. I think I paid, it's a custom blind, and I think I paid about $120 for it with free shipping. All right, there it is. Bed's all made. It's about 8 inches wider and 6 inches longer than my old mattress, so it should be a little bit more comfortable. There's more room. We're going to hopefully get a few short trips in to test out all of the new stuff that we put in. Obviously the new roof, the max air fans, the new solar and lithium iron phosphate battery system, and yeah, give it a good once over for a weekend trip or something, you know, maybe 3-day trip, and hopefully everything goes well. I do still have the blind for the front window to put in, but that's going to have to wait a little bit. Until then, I've got my Reflectix that I'll just have to put up there. So yeah, all in all, I think everything turned out really good. I'm happy with the roof system. Of course, I've got my new ceiling panel in, my new side wall panels put in, and of course all the paint's all touched up, and you know, my blinds reinstalled. So yeah, everything's looking good and working well so far. We'll get back to you after our little shakedown trip to make sure that the electrical system, the solar, and all that good stuff is working. So yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.